To Ohio Valley couponer. So 3 videos in one day, right? Yeah, a lot. But this is probably going to be the new norm because it's Black Friday, and Black Friday is such a crazy time. If you haven't already seen my Kohl's video for Black Friday, go see that. I really thought more people would watch that, but they really did not. So please go show that video some views if you're interested in Kohl's. But we're going to talk about CVS. And I'm so pumped for CVS. Like, yes. And when I first saw this ad, I was really disappointed because there's not a lot of get it for free items like there were in the past. However, the more I look through here, I'm actually quite excited about some of the deals at CVS that aren't even couponing, but just like good deals. Like, I'm really excited. So we're going to get into it. There are some great free items, potential for even more great things once we get some CRTs. And I'm just pumped. Like, I'm on a couponing. Woohoo. So I'm getting gift ideas together for CVS. I just think it's going to be a great time. So let's just dive right in. This will run November 28th through the 30th. Stores open on Thanksgiving. It's always open to 8 a.m. here in Little Zanesville, Ohio. So I'm sure it's the same everywhere pretty much. Check with your stores. Now, first up, we do have a freebie. It's the 23andMe Genetic DNA Starter Kit. It's $29.99. They're going to give you back $29.99 in extra bucks. So it's like getting that for free. This will be a great gift. Keep in mind, this is not like you can't just go get your DNA test for free. You still have to pay a fee to start. This is just the starter kit. There is, like, if you want to actually go on and get it totally tested, you're going to have to pay. But this is the starter kit, so it's some savings. BOGO on some M&Ms, as well as some toy items. We'll get coupons for M&Ms, I'm sure. Okay. Gifts under $15. Which is awesome. We have, you know what, let's go ahead and, we'll just do these first. The Wet n Wild gift sets are $4.99, and you get back $4 in extra care bucks, so it's 99 cents each. If we get a CRT for like $3 off 12, that could make those all free. But it'd probably be smarter if you have a $3 off 12 CRT to go ahead and use it towards the NYX, is that what it's called, or NYX? They're 2 for $11.98, and you get back $10 in extra bucks, making it 2 for $1.98, which is an awesome savings. But if you have a 3 off 12 CRT, you're going to actually make $1 on the NYX. So that's awesome. These are the deals right here that I want to do. I totally want to do this one on the iHip or Gensac True Wireless Bluetooth earbuds. They are $14.99. $14.99. That is awesome. Awesome price. I'm going to do that. I'm going to use extra bucks, of course, to get it down to nothing, but I'm definitely going to do that deal on the earbuds. And I'm going to explain to you the method to getting these for free in just a minute. We also have $4.99 for the Wayland Square slippers. That's epic right there. I don't know how many pairs I'll get. Those are great for gifts. Awesome. I don't know what's up. That's awesome. Like, you're not going to get cheaper than $5. CVS is great on that. And you'll see in here, there are more items at CVS that are just totally cheap. Look at this. We got buy one, get one free on Hallmark keepsake ornaments. Oh, no, excludes keepsakes, but just on Hallmark ornaments. Buy one, get one free on the holiday boxed cards. Buy one, get one free on these Christmas lights. And then this one really is crazy. Buy one, get one free on as seen on TV products. I'm seeing like cookware, lots of stuff. I'm just going to let the look at it when the time comes and determine what I'm going to get. Had this giant Mickey Mouse train, $39.99. Has some other great deals here. Yeah, lots of great stuff. And then here, it's a staple. Every year I've ever done a Black Friday sale at CVS, we've had the Colgate. It's $3.50. There's going to be a $3 coupon printing at the red box, and there's a 50-cent manufacturer's coupon. It's a free, which is awesome. $12.99 for a robe. That's not too shabby. But this is really great right here on the Conair, on either the curling iron. I will for sure be picking one of those up for my mom. She always needs those. Or it also works on the blow dryer. Or this vanity thing. It's $9.98. You get back a $5 extra buck, making it $4.98. That I just can't get over that. Like, that's so cheap. It's not all about, and I don't know if a CVS person is watching, will the Conair stuff count towards Beauty Club? That's crazy. It's not all about 100% free. Even though there are 100% free items, as you can see, it's more about the crazy savings, and that's a crazy savings. But we are going to talk about free stuff now. So they got some buy one get one candles by Yankee Candles, buy one get one free. Buy one get one free on the Ferrero thingies, and then buy one get one free on CVS batteries. I do remember the day when those CVS batteries were 100% free, so it's a little heartbreaking to see how much they are now. However, that's the name of the game. Things change. Here are our freebies. This is like the... Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items you just walk in and get for free. Kind of a bummer to me, but Rite Aid, I feel like, is a little bit... The items Rite Aid's giving for free are definitely better than the items for free at CVS, for sure. Like, but I'm not totally sure which one I'm going to hit up first, because I want the free, or I want that, a couple of the deals at CVS that aren't coupons. But like this, the Wrigley's Gum or the Altoids, 99 cents. You get 99 cents on ECBs back, so free. Now, I'll do this, a CVS acetaminophen, because I cannot take ibuprofen. I have to have Tylenol due to my health diagnosis. They're $4.49. You get back $4.49 in ECBs, so that's an awesome free item. Wouldn't be a year without getting some CVS liners for 99 cents, and you get back 99 cents. The CVS wipes are 99 cents. You get back 99 cents. And the Beauty 360 or Blade 2 disposables are $1.99. You get back $1.99. So free. I'm holding out because a lot of the years I've couponed at CVS, they do a really good beginning of the week sale where you can get more items for free. So maybe they'll do that this year. And I'll, of course, keep you guys up to date because I've started back up at CVS a little bit. I'm not like an expert or anything, but I'm trying to get my feet wet in it again. I'll keep you guys posted. I just kind of go for it at Black Friday and just hit it up hard. If Walgreens did a good sale this year, I probably would go, even though my town has the rudest Walgreens ever. But I doubt they're going to. But when Walgreens ad comes out, I'll alert you guys. So now we're going to look at this side of the ad. So the Charmin and Bounty is $4.99. 2 double roll Bounty or 6 big roll Charmin. Okay. $4.99 coupon in the app, so you pay $3.99, you get $1 ECB back, so it makes it $2.99. I don't think that's the best. It's all right. It's okay. It's okay. And actually, that's not too bad, actually. It's a pretty... Not for the Bounty. I would not do that Bounty. The Charmin, that's all right, but I probably won't do that. Palmolive is $2.49 with a $1 instant coupon, making it $1.49. If you got a Kroger in your area, don't do that deal. Kroger puts it on sale all the time for 99 cents, and we have like a 50-cent coupon, so I would not do the Palmolive. Okay, now here's a free item on the Speed Stick, $2.49. You're getting back $2 in extra bucks, making it 49 cents. There's always 50 cents off one Speed Stick on their site, so you just get this for totally free, which I'm definitely going to do that. That's a great deal. The Era detergent is $1.99 with a $1 app coupon, so 99 cents. Definitely gonna pick that up. Usually it's extra that we get, so the fact that it's Era this time, I'm happy. Era is a pretty good brand. I feel like Era kind of was out for a while, but now they're back. Am I wrong? I don't remember seeing Era for a long time. Okay, here we got the Schick disposable. $6.99, it's giving you $2 back in extra bucks, and there's apparently going to be a $4 app coupon, making it 99 cents. Last year, we had a $5 Razor CRT. I'm so hoping for that, but if not, 99 cents isn't bad, and I feel like we're going to be able to pair it up with another Razor CRT. The weekly sale, there's potential for good double dips, so I'm holding out. I really feel like it's going to be a good year. The Renews-Its are 3 for $3, $1.50 extra buck on 3, making it 3 for $1.50. A lot of times we do get coupons for the Renews-It, like buy 3, get 1 free, something like that. So we'll see how that pans out. Here's just some good deals. Javalia, McCafe, or McCafe. 2 for $12, you get back 6. So that's 2 for $6. I'd love it if we got $1 off coupons that make them $2. Even $3 is an incredible deal for Javalia. Probably going to do that. I fear I'm going to go down so much in ECBs, but that will be the week. I'll get my Care Pass around then, and I'm going to do the gift card deal you'll see in a minute, so I feel like I'll have enough to cover it. And then the Lay's and Doritos, 2 for $4, you get back $1. That's all right. I wouldn't say that's crazy. Yeah, these hair trimmers are on sale. And then I do want to mention the Fujifilm is going to be $49.99. I would actually not do that one at CVS. I would do it over at Kohl's because It's $49.99 at Kohl's. You're going to get back $15 in Kohl's cash. So you would actually get it for cheaper at Kohl's. However, if you have a bunch of ECBs you want to blow, that's a good one. Now, the weighted blanket deal right here. This one beats Kohl's by a mile. Like, so much. The weighted blanket is $29.99. That's epic. I've not seen it cheaper anywhere else as of yet. That's awesome. 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 Okay, we got some gift set deals. Like this Wet n Wild, regularly $10. You're going to get $8 back. I mean, you get $2. Think if you got like girls in your family who want some makeup on the cheap, that's great. $10 gift set for $2. Lots of stuff here, like the Physicians Formula sets. You can certainly use CRTs with this to get it down, however you want to do that. An air fryer for $50. Pretty decent. This is actually good. The fleece throws are $2. They are $2.50 at Walmart. So to get it for $2 is a great deal over at CVS. Some speakers for $29.99. Right, and then this is like my favorite one probably for Christmas gifts. I'm so going to do it for Christmas gifts. The Applebee's gift card, spend $75. You get a $25 extra buck back. Whoa. Whoa. That's crazy. What I'm planning on doing is picking up 3 $25 gift cards for some family members. And so I'll get back $25 in ECBs. I can go roll onto other deals. So I'll take that and I'll roll it over onto the the earbuds that I want and the slippers and stuff like that. And I won't be losing anything. It's awesome. And that's perfect. I need to get gift cards for family anyways. And so that's a good deal. I believe last year I got Darden, but I don't think these people will care. So I'm going to do that. And the Xbox Game Pass, buy one, get 20 back. It's awesome. Maybe you got a family member who's into Xbox, has a limit of 1. Yeah. So that's great. And I'm sure Rite Aid and probably Wags will have a deal like that too. I'm excited to see Walgreens. I don't anticipate anything from them, but you never know. And then we got the General Mills cereals, $1.99 with $1 ECB back, 99 cents. I don't think we have any coupons off of 1. If it was off of 2, I don't even really know how worth it. Yeah, it wouldn't be worth it. Wouldn't be worth it at all. Then we got the Oreos, 2 for $6, get $2 back, so it's 2 for $4. So that is CVS, and I'm excited. I wasn't really too excited when I first saw it, but there are actually, the more I looked, there are things in here I just want that I was going to probably buy anyways. I know I wanted the earbuds. I saw them in Kohl's, and they were way more expensive than that. So I'm excited for CVS, and that I can use my ECBs to get it down for even cheaper. Yeah, for sure. I'll be hitting this up Thanksgiving Day. So, yes, that is all I got for now. I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you so much for watching.